I will show one example for single return or multiple return. Okay, so multiple, if you want to have a function to return multiple value means we can go with tuples. So for if the function return doesn't return anything means we will simply give return of type none. ஒண்ணுமே expression எதுவும் கொடுக்கலனா it is a meaning that it is return of type none. Okay, so none is one of the type available in Python. So return empty return, you can place empty, either you can place empty return or you can place without placing return also it will return nothing. If you want to return a single value mean you will at the end you will place return A, return B, or we can also place some expression. So in case of sum of digits using regression function, you place some expression return n mod 10 plus sum underscore n double slash, that is floor division 10. Likewise, we pass some expression. So return value can either have variable or we can place expression. Okay. So if you want to return multiple values means we can go with tuples. See, for example, I'm defining one function. So for that function, I am having two parameters. I'm going to calculate both addition and subtraction. What I want to do. So see here, first I am storing one variable c equal to a plus b. So likewise, I am having another variable d equal to a minus b. Okay. So at the end, I can return both the value using the return statement. That is return followed by I want to pass the values c comma d. Okay, so multiple values can be returned from the function. So to get this value, we want to have one variable. So calculate 5 comma 2. Okay. See the output, what I am getting. 7 comma 3. So the addition value will be 5 plus 2 7 and the subtraction value will be 5 minus 2 3. Okay. So this multiple value can be written using the expression return followed by that value. This value will be captured in form of tuples. Okay, tuple or tuples. So if you want to assign to multiple value means you want to unpack that. So unpacking means you want to assign more than one value. That is here a that is addition value. Addition, one variable known as addition, comma another variable is known as subtraction. Okay, so we can have lengthy name. So we can have a short name, add comma sub. Likewise, we can get the value in two different variable. So this is known as tuple assignment. Okay, so you can see the value using separate variable also. Add and likewise sub. So see the output. We are getting the value in a separate variable, add and sub. So this is known as unpacking tuples. So we might have already seen about tuple assignment and what do you mean by tuple assignment? That is, if you want to assign a comma b, we can assign in a single statement like this. This is known as tuple assignment. Okay. So if you print a value, one will be assigned to the variable a and 2 will be assigned to the variable b. So this is known as tuple or tuple assignment in Python. So this concept is used here. Okay, so in variable length argument also we pass variable length argument, non-keyword argument. So it is captured in tuple. So likewise here that various return value of the function will be captured in the tuple. We can either use the tuple value or we can unpack the value. இங்க எத்தனை வேல்யூ நீங்க ரிட்டர்ன் பண்றீங்களோ அத்த வேரியபிள் நீங்க இங்க வச்சுட்டு நீங்க கேப்சர் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகே, ஸோ இது ஒன் ஆஃப் த ஷார்ட்கட் இன் பைதான். மேம்